Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. What if I told you that I've developed a serious case of RAD and I just had a SOTD with a two-piece DE, and right now I'm so BBS I can't stop masturbating? Would you know exactly what I'm talking about, or would you look at me like I'm from another planet? Well, stick with me, because after you watch this video, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Savvy? Wet shaving. A type of shaving designed to soften the skin and beard with water. Shaving cream or soap is then applied with a shaving brush, which elevates the beard and provides a slick cushion for the blade to glide across. DE or double-edge shaving. A replaceable blade safety razor employing a blade with two edges. The edges are on opposite sides of the blade. The blade is very sharp and slices the hair off cleanly at the surface of the skin. Only one side of the blade contacts the skin while shaving. TTO, twist to open, as in a butterfly type razor where the head opens up as a result of turning a knob on the handle of the razor. This is generally considered to be the easiest method of blade loading. Two-piece, a razor that breaks down into two separate parts. Three-piece, a razor that breaks down into three parts. SE, single edge, a razor employing a blade that is sharp on only one side. Hardware, non-consumable shaving goods such as safety razors, straight razors, brushes, stands, etc. Software, consumable wet shaving items like shaving cream, soap, pre-shaves, and aftershaves. Nick, a small cut occurring during your shave, as in, oh shit, I just nicked myself. Usually happens in the chin area. Weeper, a very small shaving cut. It appears as a tiny red dot visible after the shave. Application of a cold-wet alum block will make it disappear quickly. Ingrown, a condition where the hair curls back or sideways into the skin, causing a bump or irritation. Most prevalent among people who have coarse or curly hair. In Latin, it's called folliculitis barbae. African American gents, this pertains to you, but don't sweat it. The safety razor is the best type of razor for preventing ingrowns and razor burn. Common sense tells you that 3, 4, 5, 6, or even a 7-blade cartridge being dragged across your face will cause more skin irritation than one sharp blade. Yes, people, sometimes the old way is the best way. Pass. When you perform shaving strokes and shave your lathered face until all of the lather is gone. That's one pass. Lather up and shave again, that's another pass. Progressive beard reduction is the process of performing these multiple passes to remove a portion of the beard growth with each pass until the face is completely smooth. WTG, with the grain, shaving with the direction of the beard growth. Usually, it's your first pass. XTG, across the grain, shaving across the direction of the beard growth. Usually, your second pass. ATG, against the grain, shaving against the direction of the beard growth. Usually, your third pass. BBS, baby butt smooth. BSS, baby smooth shave. DFS, damn fine shave. No explanation needed there. HHT, hanging hair test. The act of removing hair midway on the hair shaft to verify that your straight razor's blade is sharp enough to shave with. Characterized by a sweet plinking sound of the hair being sliced off. It's music to your ears. PIF, pay it forward. Share the love of wet shaving with others. Pass on some items for free to let them try it out. Hopefully in the future, they will do the same. RAD, razor acquisition disorder. Yeah, you know, you just can't get enough. SOTD, shave of the day. SOTN, shave of the night. YMMV, your mileage may vary. Not all shaving products will work exactly the same for everyone. For example, you might get 4 excellent shaves from a certain brand of razor blade, while someone else may get 6 shaves from that very same blade. Facerbaiting, the unavoidable act of touching or stroking one's face after shaving. Why? Because it just feels so damn smooth. A couple of shaving companies. GFT, George F. Trumper, from the UK since the late 19th century. Tobbs, Taylor of Old Bond Street, from the UK since 1854. Here are a couple shaving terms that I said first many years ago. Clear the runways, the act of swiping away the shaving cream covering the upper sideburn area with the finger or thumb to make the area visible for an even trim. Figure 8 method, also known as the infinity maneuver. The final and utmost zen moment of brushing on and smoothing out your shaving lather in a figure 8 pattern before you pick up the razor to start shaving. So next time someone says I've developed a serious case of RAD and I just had a SOTD with a 2-piece DE and right now I'm so BBS I can't stop facerbaiting, you can respond, oh man, after clearing the runways on 2 passes with my TTO, I was so BSS that I might not even shave tomorrow. And I feel you on the RAD. Too much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure there's a lot of shaving terminology that I left out, and you got your own. Put it down below in the comment section so we could all check it out. That's about it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.